As easy as it sounds, people are making thousands of dollars nowadays with PowerPoint slides. There are thousands of jobs out there where Microsoft PowerPoint is the main skill you need. So in this video, I want to share with you where to learn or perfect your PowerPoint skills, where to apply, and how to make hundreds or maybe thousands of dollars every single month with PowerPoint. So let's dive in. All right, you guys, so first things first, let's talk about where you can go and learn or perfect your Microsoft PowerPoint skills. And you can do that for free if you know where to look. So I'm gonna share my screen and I'll show you everything step by step. Now, the first place that I recommend you go ahead and check out is Udemy. And that is because they have hundreds of thousands of different online courses, and actually many of them are free. So if you go ahead to udemy.com and you just simply search for free PowerPoint, then you'll see that they have over 1,000 courses where you can learn PowerPoint no matter what level you're at, because they have beginner, intermediate, and even expert courses that you can take on Udemy for free. The other place that you can go and check out is Alison. So if you go to alison.com, you'll see that they have a good selection of Microsoft PowerPoint skill courses, and all of them or many of them are actually for free. There is one, for example, that is called Learning Microsoft PowerPoint that has really good reviews, and you can literally start on the spot. You don't have to wait, you don't have to enroll or sign up, and it doesn't cost you anything. And other than this one, they also have a few other ones that teach you even the basics of PowerPoint if that's something new to you. Last but not least, why not check out Microsoft's website directly? They have a page where they share with you for free quite a good selection of Microsoft PowerPoint step-by-step courses. They take you from slides and layouts to inserting animation and how to present slideshows and how to insert pictures and graphic, use 3D models. So really a good place to get started if you are a beginner in Microsoft PowerPoint. Now that you know where you can go and learn this skill, let's talk about where you can go and apply for jobs that require Microsoft PowerPoint as the main skill. And you have a few options here. You can go and offer your services as a freelancer to create bespoke presentations. You can obviously also offer your services to design presentations as a template. And then last but not least, you can sell your templates, and I'll talk about that as well. So let's talk about the first category, where you create bespoke presentations upon the request of a certain client. And here you have many options, but I'll share my screen and I'll show you two of them, Upwork and Fiverr. So let's take a look. So when you come to Upwork.com, all you need to do is go and search for jobs and type in the search bar PowerPoint. After that, you'll get a list of all the jobs that have PowerPoint as one of the required skills. And you can obviously filter based on whether you want an hourly rate or a fixed price. What is the client history, if they've hired or not anybody on Upwork before? What's the project length and the hours per week that are required? And just a few examples for them. You see, somebody is looking to pay $100 for someone to make a presentation on a specific topic. Simply create 5 slides. Let's see. Presentation deck needed with fast turnaround, hourly rate between $20 and $40. Slide content is already written, but design and branding aesthetic is needed. Compile financial audit data in spreadsheets and PowerPoints. Intermediate, estimated budget $150. So I think all in all, there are good options, good opportunities for you on Upwork if you have PowerPoint as one of your skills. Now let's take a look at Fiverr, because this is another platform where you can apply and get hired to provide support and create Microsoft PowerPoint slides or decks for a company or an individual. So again, here, what you would need to do is create a profile where you offer your services of creating bespoke PowerPoint decks for particular industries or on particular topics. Now, I'll show you examples of other people who do exactly the same. So on Fiverr.com, what I will do is simply go and type PowerPoint. And you see here, although the amount is shown in Swiss francs because I am based in Switzerland, you can approximate that with dollars as well. And you see there is someone here who says, I will design a sleek professional PowerPoint presentation for probably about $15. I'll design a master template. I'll redesign a PowerPoint presentation. I will design a superior PowerPoint presentation. And you see people are charging even close to $70 to design a PowerPoint presentation. I will create an engaging PowerPoint presentation design. I'll design professional level PowerPoint presentations for you. This one is a pro verified Fiverr freelancer. And this shows you that when your level of expertise is really, really high and you can prove that skill and you have examples of work you've done before, you can even apply and get qualified as a pro Fiverr freelancer. And then you are allowed and able to charge a lot more for your services. So you see this person here, Noah Wildman, is charging almost $1,500, probably more, to design a PowerPoint deck. Now let's move to the second category, which is more focused on design. So here I'm talking about you creating and designing a PowerPoint template that you then sell to people who will add their own information and fill that in. So you would be technically giving a empty PowerPoint slide deck. And here you have, again, many options, but today I want to talk about Dribbble. So if you go to dribbble.com, you have a couple scenarios. Either you want to search for a full-time job or one as a freelancer. So all you need to do is go to dribbble.com, and if you're looking for a full-time job, you will go and click on the full-time job board here at the top. And then here in the filter, you will just type PowerPoint. And you'll see here that there are some jobs that have been recently posted that are looking for presentation designers. So for example, there's one here, which is a full-time job looking for a presentation designer, and it was posted 12 days ago. There is a brand designer, a design manager, which is a remote job for Next Gen America. So you have some options with full-time jobs on Dribbble. Now, if you're looking for a freelance job where you are hired for your design skills in PowerPoint, then you would go again at the top of the page and simply click on freelance jobs. And again, all you need to do is come here on the filter and type PowerPoint. Once you do that, you see that right now there is one job looking to hire someone to redesign a PowerPoint presentation deck, and the pay is pretty good. So I think you should check it out. The third category that I have for you today is designing your own PowerPoint templates and then selling those on different platforms where people go to download and purchase this kind of templates. I'm going to talk about two options today, but there are many, many others out there. And if you're interested in me creating a dedicated video where I share with you many platforms where you can go and sell your PowerPoint templates, do let me know in the comments down below, and I'll make sure to do that as soon as possible. Now, the nice thing about doing this, so creating a template that you sell on a marketplace like the two that I'm going to share with you, is that you get paid for the same work again and again. So you're literally creating a passive income stream simply by designing a presentation once. So first, I'm going to talk about Etsy.com, and then I'll share the second ones. So here you can see people are creating various types of PowerPoint presentations, and they're charging somewhere between $10 and $15. Mine shows francs because I live in Switzerland, but you can almost equal 1 franc to $1. There's here a presentation template that is being sold for almost $18 to $19. Another one for about $8, one for $5, another one for $7, this one for about $11. This one is a little bit cheaper. And then there is one here where they are asking for $166, probably dollars, but this one is for custom slides. So obviously on Etsy, you can offer template slides or custom slides. They give you that option as well. The other thing that I think is really interesting and a good opportunity for you to consider is that people are redesigning games and putting those in PowerPoint templates and then selling those as digital games on Etsy. So if you're creative like that and your skills are at another level, then definitely consider that as well. The second platform that I want to talk about today is Envato Elements. They are a huge marketplace. They host there all types of different creative elements, which is why they're called Envato Elements. And you can go ahead and upload your PowerPoint presentation on Envato and sell that there as well. And on average, prices range between $5, $15, $20 per template. And as I said, this is really, really interesting because then you get paid that amount every single time somebody downloads your presentation deck. So let's take a look. So when you come to Envato.com, you can obviously see that people create similar examples, similar presentations in both Keynote, Google Slides, and PowerPoint. I've only selected PowerPoint for now, but if you have the skills, you will be able to recreate the same design in other presentation designers like Keynote for MacBook or Google Slides. So you can see here people have created very diverse presentation templates. Startup pitch deck, expert PowerPoint template, minimal mass, multi-purpose PowerPoint template, minimalist presentation, infographics, ebooks. My recommendation for you here is that you don't just create a generic PowerPoint template, but you try and anticipate a goal or a need that your ideal customer would have. So think about whether you can create a deck for a certain occasion. A pitch deck is great, an investor deck is great, a financial results deck would be great. So think about what kind of presentations your customers would need and try and create those with this in mind. All right, you guys, that was it for today. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, I recommend you go ahead and watch this video over here where I share similar examples, but for Excel templates and Excel skills. Thank you again, and I'll see you next time. Bye.